earlier this day, I went to my PO box and I saw this JRS Express. Mail and I read it and it's a fan mail. But I will cover it for some reason. It's for safety reasons that Tiffany. Okay, and here's the date. May 4. And the name of the receiver is the cutest me, which is me, of course. And here's my address. I will just put it in the description box down below instead of showing you here because how Tiffany likes it. It's a bit messy. It's fine. So the date is before my BOD and my A.B no. So let's open it. There's also that here two magazine. Okay, that's good. Oh, so he sent it me. Oh, that's so let's see the letter. So there's nothing else inside. See? Dear Maxine, I hope you like the gifts I gave you. Sorry for the ugly handwriting. Love, Tiffany. See? Dear Maxine, I hope you like the gifts I gave you. Sorry for the ugly handwriting. Love, Tiffany. Okay, so thank you, Tiffany, for this wonderful gift and this wonderful letter. So we got this body lotion, Bali Mango Body Lotion, and it's new. So let's put the body lotion. Oh my gosh, lotion. I'll put it. I'll just put little. Smells so good. It smells like mango. So yeah. Wow. It's really soft on the hands. So yeah. So now let's go on to the wallet. So there's nothing much to show about the wallet because it's just a wallet. But there's this ears, eyes, and like this cute mouth and the zipper and like the tail of the monster wallet. And inside. So yeah. So now let's get on to the unicorn. Yes. So the unicorn, I'm not sure what this is, but I think This is a power bank, see, for charging the power bank, and then for using the power bank. So yeah, thank you very much, Tiffany, for this gift. I really like it. So yeah, I think this is the end of the video. And don't forget, if you want to send fan mails on my channel, I'll be linking it in the description box down below. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Stay cute.